Good day, guys. Trust we are doing good. It's Stu, and welcome to my day 45 of the 100 Days of Think Analysis Challenge. Yeah, I've been away for quite a while due to personal reasons, but now I'm back on it. Yes, so I'm back on it, and we can get started right into breaking down charts again. Yeah, real quick, let's look at what we have on USD JPY. So, no doubts at all. We can see the initial trend from like this value in the market, from this area in the market, is a downtrend. Yeah, so we're initially on a downtrend on USD JPY, and it will be very, very, very unreasonable to start looking for longs because we know we are literally on a downtrend. So I can take this off. That was just used to cite the direction of the trend. So I can now put a trend line on there. Okay, so yeah, we have this bearish trend and we had an impulse into it, an impulse away from it, a correction into it, an impulse away from it. So closely we pulled back into it and we are expecting price to project away from it. And what do we have here? We have this area of structure right up above here. Okay, so last week price moved back into it, filled the area, and now we are literally moving away from it. And also there's this major area of support right here, and yeah, it got broken last week. Like price broke through it last week, and this is just literally a retest back into the area of structure for me. So I can go down to the daily time frame from this aspect, and I don't want to cluster my chart, so I'll just we already put that into consideration. So I'll just take this off and also take this off. There is a minor bearish trend at this area right here, a minor one. Yes, so yeah, we can still see price literally moved into it. Yeah, and yeah, so we should expect a rejection away from it, so I can still take this off. Okay, so what do we have now? Since we had this bearish move to the downside, like we had that massive bearish move to the downside, at this area in the market, this is just a counter trend line. This is a counter trend line. So let me zoom back in. Yes, this is just a counter trend, like it is moving against the initial downtrend. So this is a counter trend. And what do I expect from a counter trend? I expect a counter trend to break, which it has, but we need to go down to a lower time frame to confirm this. So to 4 hour time frame, we can now see clearly that sorry about that. We can now see clearly that we've broken the bearish trend, the bullish counter trend with one candle, and price is literally forming a bullish candle at this area. So we might still have a little push up before we project to the downside. And if I'm to go short on this will be my initial target, just 90% of the move. 90% of the move. So I can move that to the center. Okay, so yeah, 90% of the move, because this right here is one area that just got broken, and we had a retest back into it, and this is another minor area down here. So yeah, price has literally moved back into this minor area that got broken, and we can see expect just a few piece of rejection. So this is what I literally expect from price. Wow, okay. This is what I literally expect from price. Like, so we might move down a bit into this area right here, because this is a major area of price. Like price has been reacting at this area for quite a while, so we might just move into this area first, then get some sort of reaction, then come back for a retest at this area before we now plunge directly down there. And that's about a shit ton of pips, like possibly if I have a sell stop order at this area. Yes, that's just 119 pips. So to the 1 hour time frame for more clarity, we can see how well price moved, like impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. So we should expect a correction back into this trend line. And there's also a CP here. And price has tested the CP, but we still need it to fill up this area. So it would still likely move back into this area of structure before we plunge to the downside. So my bias on USDJPY is to go short. Yes, my bias on USDJPY is to go short. So yeah, that is it. If you've got any bias against mine or in alignment to mine, please do share it in the comments down below. And also, if you've got any currency pair you want me to watch out for you tomorrow or possibly my next video or next two other video, just let me know. So please do hit the thumbs up button, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.